Hello guys, welcome back to Jack's PC Repair, and today guys we will build a gaming rig for our client, and we are gonna fit all of these components inside the K39 case guys. So stay tuned, watch my vlog guys. Hey guys, here's a quick unboxing video of the Aorus B550i Pro AX. So we have your motherboard, CD accessories, you have your motherboard manual, you have a 4-pin adapter for your fan header. Later on I will show you where this goes. And you have your SATA cables, you have your Wi-Fi device, and you have your RGB 12 volt adapter, and lastly is the M.2 screws, and you have the Aorus sticker for your case. Your motherboard. Very nice. Your Wraith Prism. It's the cooler that comes in with the 3700X. Very nice stock cooler from AMD. There you go. Very nice. That is the Ryzen 7 3700X guys, and it comes with a very nice sticker. On your motherboard, always look for the arrow. And that's where the small golden arrow goes through. So you lift up that metal arm all the way to the right. And get your processor. And place it like so. Just place it, don't press on it, place it gently, and slide down the metal arm, and you're good. What we are going to use today is the Cryorig C7 graphene. So it's covered in matte black graphene, and it looks very nice. And our thermal paste for today is Cryonaut. up is our G.Skill Credit Z, 16 gigs of RAM, 3200 megahertz. Okay guys, next thing we're gonna work on is the case. So we're gonna have to install the power supply onto the bottom part of the case. And the power supply that I have is from Delta Electronics. This is a 500 watts PSU 80 plus platinum rated. First thing you want to do with your K39 is just remove the back panel, remove the frame that holds the motherboard and the video card, because it's going to make your installation easier. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install the motherboard on the standoffs. Okay guys, so just want to share with you a little issue that I encountered with the standoff having a bit of a gap with connecting to the motherboard, so I was not able to connect the screw on that one, and mainly because of the huge and thick backplate that P550i Aorus Pro AX has, which is causing that issue. So just a heads up guys. Alright guys, next step is we are going to install the PSU on the backplate right there. Alright guys, next step is you might want to install the cables on your power supply. Next step is installing a riser cable to your motherboard. Alright guys, next step is connecting the cables onto your motherboard. Alright, next step is returning this to the case. Alright guys, next step is installing your GPU. Guys, don't forget to insert your power switch and your power LED. Always refer to your motherboard's manual. Last but not least, your SSD. And there you have it, guys, your K39 build. There you have it, guys, your K39 PC build. And I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you picked up a few tips on how to build inside this very small case. I would give it a 10 over 10 on the difficulty of building inside this case. But overall, I think it's a very neat case. It's a very small case, it's a very small GPU, and it's 4 liters in weight. Imagine carrying 4 Coke bottles. It's that light, guys. Very nice. And again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next PC build. Shout out to Roy Padillas, Juan Carlos, and Mark Jimenez from the K39ers Club, and shout out to SFF enthusiasts. You guys are the best. Shout out to Sir Eugene of B&M. Sir Eugene, hope to see you soon.